There are a lot of ways that you can actually make money in 2026, and I know that you will have come across a lot of videos like they will tell you how to make money, join my WhatsApp group, join my Telegram and everything, and still you still haven't make money, like you haven't make anything from yourself. Well, I'm about to reveal the secret to you right now. So make sure you stick around and let's jump right in. The first thing I actually want to discuss is, so there are like 3 ways to actually make money on the internet. Yes, there are like 3 ways, not the main 3 ways, but I'll just categorize it as 3 ways. But you see that 3 ways, there's also like sub niche under it, but let's just jump right in. So the first way you can actually make money online is actually by rendering a service. So what did I mean by rendering a service? So let's say you are a writer now. So what you just need to do is you need to just get a client. So client that will be paying you and you'll be writing for them, then submit for them and you will get paid. So that's just it. You're rendering a service, and what your service, you're writing gig. So you write books for them and then they'll pay you. It might not be books, it might be articles, it might be website content, it might be anything relating to that. So by you like rendering a service. So the next thing you can also use to actually make money on the internet is actually by business. So what did I mean by business? By you having a product that you sell, guys. So I think this is where most people actually like get lost in it. So they'll be telling you, oh, I do make this thing with AI, I do something like this, and a lot of stuff. I believe that those things are jargons. Yes, some people actually make money, but I will tell you that, you see, those kind of things, it's actually very, very limited. Like let's say out of 1 million people, only like 50 that are actually doing that thing in a real way, that they are making good money from it. So that's just it. So the main business that you can actually do to make real money is you having a product. It might be physical product, it might be, let's just say, a product like a digital product. And what did I mean by this digital product? It might be just, let's say, a course. Let's say you know something, you are very good about something and you want to teach people. It might be video editing, it might even be writing. You might be teaching people how to like write ebooks and everything. So that means you have a digital product like that. So that is like the real digital product. So you see all these people that they are telling you ebooks and ebooks, I will tell you most of them don't actually make money. You are the people that they are making money from. You people that actually buy the course. So that is where they even get their money from. They are telling you, they will teach you how to use AI to create an ebook, all those blah blah blah. Firstly, you should even think about it like in this part of the world, like here in Africa, a lot of people don't actually read like that. And even if they want to read, it is like the school that they are going to force them to read, and they'll read like their handouts, their school textbook and everything. But them getting like all these products online, I will tell you, it's a fluff. Just 0.00001% of people will actually see ebook and actually purchase online. So that is the fact. You can even just do your research, and it's very easy to make research. Just look at people around you. What are they doing? People around you, are they buying ebooks online? Of course not. So tell me, how will it sell? So that's just it. Yes guys, so it's just as plain as that. So I don't want to hurt your feeling, but that's just it. And the third way people can actually make money, the legit way, is actually by learning a skill and you using your skill to like make money. So what did I mean by skill? You might be good at anything. Like the first example I give, you might be an electrician or a writer rendering your service. So all these things also relates with each other. So you see this skill part, this is where I'm very, very interested in. So there are a lot of skills that you can actually learn that will actually like make you money, guys. And I will tell you for a fact that the most simple and the legit way that you can actually make that money with your skill set is actually learning importation. Yes, so importation will actually open door for you. And what did I mean by open door for you? You see this importation, there are a lot of things that you will get. Firstly, importation will give you access, travel to this China that we are talking about. You can actually travel to this China. You can use the importation route to actually relocate, and that's just one thing. Another thing is just so that you can use this importation skill set. So like there are just a lot of things. Like I said, it's a skill set that you acquired and you can use it to like feed yourself and fend for your family. And there are a lot of ways you can actually make money in this importation business. And the first thing is that you can actually be a procurement agent. So this is what I do mostly, guys. Like I help people to procure their goods, I help people to buy goods. That is one of my specialty in this importation business. So that's one thing. I do procurement, I help people to buy goods. Also, another thing I also do is that you might not even do all this procurement because like it's very risky. Yes, it's very risky because there are a lot of risks into it, but I'm not here to talk about the risks. I'm here to talk about ways you can use importation to make money. So let's say you are even scared about the risks and everything. You can just do another thing in this importation niche. And what is it? Number 2 is that you can just be selling funds. So what do I mean by funds? You can just be selling yuan. So what is yuan? Yuan is a Chinese fund, just like Nigeria Naira, Ghana cedis, American US dollar. So Chinese people, they spend yuan. So you can actually be an exchanger. So that will be helping people to exchange their money to yuan. You'll be sending money to them. That is even kind of easier. And also there is also risks, but like I said, there is nothing you are doing in this world that doesn't require risks. Everything is risk, but you can minimize your risks. So that's just it. And how do you minimize your risks? By learning, guys. By learning and very good at what you are doing, like by perfecting your craft. So that's just it. So you can be a procurement agent, you can be an exchanger, and if you don't do these things, you can also do another thing. Like there are a lot of ways you can actually make money in this importation business. So I will just describe it as an, let's just say, business. Yes, I would describe it as a business. So I would say it's probably leads more to business than skill. If you're more into importation, like I would say it leans more to business than just skill. So that's just it. All you just need to do is you just need to learn this skill and perfect it. And when you are very good at it, you can start doing anything in this importation niche and you start making money. In fact, there are a lot of ways. Some people actually even sell contact of suppliers, which I don't actually like. Like I don't really like that. But I'm not the one that controlling the market. Of course, everybody can do what they like. So some people are actually selling suppliers contacts and everything. So you can also do that yourself. You can look for a legit supplier, buy from the supplier, and when you verify that this product is actually real and legit, guys, you can sell the supplier to people and people will actually buy the supplier from you. So there are a lot of ways you can just make money with importation, guys. So what you just need to do is you just need to learn. So that's just it. So importation is not like all these people selling you AI automations and everything. They will tell you, oh, you just create a YouTube channel, you'll be putting AI videos and everything. All those things takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. But importation is actually a skill you can actually learn in like a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, and you will actually be able to actually order yourself. Yes, there are a lot of things that you can actually learn later on, but the 70% or 60% about the importation, you can actually learn it within 1 week or 2 weeks, and you actually know what you are doing in this importation, guys. So like I said, if you are looking for a skill to learn in 2026, importation is the way. Yes, importation is the way. And like I said, there are just a lot of opportunity here. Like me now, I have a Timberland. You see this Timberland, I think I got it for like 6,000 naira. With the shipping, I don't actually know how much I pay for the shipping, because what I do is that I ship my products as large quantity. Like everything is calculated together with all my other shipping expenses, so I don't actually know the exact amount I pay for the shipping fee, but I'm sure it will be like 5,000 or even less. But the amount for the Timberland is 6,000 naira. So now let's just say I pay 5,000 for shipping fee. That's like 11,000. So I bought Timberland for 11,000 naira. Now imagine if I'm buying that Timberland in my country, Nigeria, I'll be buying it for nothing less than 50,000, 40,000. In fact, some people sell Timberland over 100,000. So you can just see that opportunity. You will be buying things for cheap. Just a lot of things. In fact, you see this wristwatch. This is a 7-in-1 wristwatch. I also got this thing from China. I think I uploaded the video here when I was unboxing. So all these things are actually available. Yes, guys, like all these things are actually things you are going to be learning. You will be buying things for cheap. You will just be totally exposed. And also another thing is that if you eventually decided to, like, let's just say you want to do it as large, you can just decide that, oh, you want to travel to China one day, and when you travel to China, you can just use that opportunity to like relocate and just start, let's just say, sourcing there. So there's also what we call sourcing. It's also another method of making money in this importation business. And what is sourcing? Sourcing is that you helping people to find the supplier of what they are looking for. For example, now let's say people want to buy, let's just say, a gas cooker. So what you just need to do is you just need to source for that gas cooker supplier that is very legit, that people can actually trust. So now let's say you've already relocated to China. Now you know it will be very easy for you to do. It is something that you can actually go to their factory and see it for yourself, and also you will be buying it for cheap, guys. Like I said, it is factory that you are going, so you're going to be getting a factory price. You will even be getting things way cheaper, and you will even be saving yourself money and be saving your customers money. So there are just a lot of things that you can do to make money in this importation business. So that is why I said in this year 2026 you can start your importation business. You can start, guys. And I know there's a lot of videos out there. People will tell you, come with me with China and everything, or come and learn importation, come and learn importation. Maybe those are the videos that you have been seeing online and you were like so scared to start it. You don't actually need to pay anybody to start importation. Like I said, I have a YouTube channel. So this YouTube channel is dedicated to help people to learn importation. What you just need to do is subscribe and just go to my page, guys. You'll see a lot of videos that is going to help you out on how this importation business actually really works, guys. So that's just it, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to be answering you guys. And thank you for watching another video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.